Hello, everybody. Today we have to learn how to convert this entire vertical table into horizontal manner. Sometimes it is difficult for user to scroll the data. Guys, this is not right way because if you have lot of people, you can show them within that area for multiple columns or multiple trainings. How do we solve this query? If you refer to my previous recordings or videos, you will see that I had shown you with COUNTIF, expandable range, and I had shown you that with aggregate function. But today, I'm going to use different function. So stay connected, stay tuned, and keep watching my videos. Make sure you subscribe my channel because if you subscribe, you will get more such videos. I will get motivated. So guys, let's see how do we use a new method. This is called Office 365 function. Let me type here Office 365 function I'm going to use. So how we can perform that? So you can see this is the table I have created. The objective behind creating a table is that table actually auto resize itself. If you add more people, it will resize itself. What does that mean? So that means if you have more people, the automatic formula instantly will update. So let's see how do we convert this table into horizontal manner. So look, we are going to use reduce function. What reduce function will do, it will accumulate all the value and give you one result. So initial value, let's assume blank, and you can use unique function. What unique function will do, it will get you all the unique value. Make sure proper bracket has to be applied, comma, use lambda function. You know what lambda function does, guys? Because the variable you are using here, that you are going to use over there, rather using the entire data. Because as I told you, reduce will loop through all the value inside that. So automatically the formula will be unique. So what is A value? What is B value? They are my variable. A means blank and B means unique value, comma, you can use filter function. What filter function will do, guys? You can select the required skill. Make sure table selection should be perfect, comma. Now you have to create the Boolean value. So Boolean value means whether these people equal to B or not. Because A is blank, B is unique value. Now you have to close the bracket. That value, you will get the answer in vertical manner. So you have to transpose. What transpose will do? Transpose will convert this value into horizontal manner. Now you have to v-stack, vertically stack the value with a, comma, this value, and you can wrap the bracket. Now guys, v-stack value is ready, and you can wrap one more bracket and see that your answer will come. So we skip one bracket. Let's see unique bracket. So the bracket for reduce, we actually skipped that. Now we got the right answer. So the training which we got in vertical mode, now we got the training in horizontal. So how do we fix it, guys? So let me insert one column so that you will have some space. Now in this formula, you can use drop function. What drop function will do? It will ask you that how many row you want to drop. The first row I want to drop. See that my data is coming correct. And now you can use hstack function. So what hstack function will do? It will horizontally stack all the unique value from name people, and you can wrap the bracket, comma, and you can close the hstack. So see that Ashok enrolled for 2 training and Vinita enrolled for 3 training. So if you filter with Vinita, you will have the answer. Vinita enrolled for 3 training. Suppose I'm adding one more Vinita, and this time she wants training, suppose A, B, C, D, E, F. Now if I remove the filter and let's see whether Vinita got 4 trainings or not. Yes, Vinita got 4 trainings. So it is super dynamic, guys. How we can remove the error? You can use if error function. what if error function will do? If this function turns out to be an error, it will replace that for error with blank. And see that we got the answer. So these are the people, and this is the training they enrolled for. Whichever data they have, because you have created a table. So this simple formula will convert everything into proper horizontal manner. I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe and share my video.